Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in to today's video. If you are new, welcome. My name is Leslie and this is my beauty channel. Today is going to be an exciting video because I have the brand new Hopeless Romantix collection from Melt Cosmetics. I got it right here. I got to attend the party in Malibu this past weekend. It was absolutely incredible. I was so honored to be invited, and thank you again to the Melt team, Laura and Dana. You guys are the best. So I'm really excited to be doing this video for you guys, and let's go ahead and get started. The first product in this collection we're going to talk about is the Babygirl stack, and I love this stack. I've had it for about a month and I've been playing around with it and I'm obsessed. It probably is my favorite stack so far. I feel like every time Melt launches a new stack, I just love each one more and more. If you are a lover of hot corals, like warm tones, you will die for this stack. It is so beautiful. There are 3 different finishes in this stack. So we have a duochrome up here. We have 3 mattes and then 1 foiled. And this stack is retailing for $58. You get 5 shades and they are large pan sizes. They're 3 grams. So that breaks it down to roughly $11 to $12 an eyeshadow. The first shade in the Babygirl stack is the shade Hopeless Romantix, and this shade is stunning. I wore this all over my lid at the party and I'm wearing it all over my lid now. I love to apply it with a little bit of Fix Plus, and this shade is described to be a duochrome yellow gold to hot pink shift. The second shade in the stack is called Scammin, and I love this shade. It is a perfect transition color. It's also beautiful in the crease. I love to really warm up an eyeshadow look with this color. I think it's going to be beautiful going into summer, and it is described as a matte hot coral. Shade number 3 is called Main Squeeze. It's absolutely stunning. It is a beautiful fiery red orange and it's a matte shade. Shade number 4 is called Crush, and it is the only foiled eyeshadow in the stack. Absolutely gorgeous, so much pigment to it, and it's described as a rustic terracotta. And then the last shade in the stack is called Breakup. It is kind of the smokier shade in the stack, and this one is described to be as a burnt umber. It's really, really pretty, really rich. I think you can throw this in like any warm neutral eye look as well, or bump it up with this stack. Before we jump over to blushes, I just want to note that the shades Hopeless Romantix and Crush are both vegan shades. And then stay tuned towards the end, or you can skip ahead. I'm going to be doing an eye demo using all of the shades in this stack and also swatching all of the colors so you can see them all up close and personal and how they look on my arm and how they blend on my eye. The next products in this collection are the brand new blushes from Melt. Melt has never done blushes before. I think they picked 3 staple shades. The blushes are retailing for $22 each. The packaging for the blushes are really cute. They look like a Melt Cosmetics eyeshadow, but they are bigger, and then they do come with a mirror. The mirror is really good quality, so you can definitely like do your eye makeup and it's not blurry or anything. I really enjoy the quality of these blushes. They do feel a little different from the eyeshadows. They're really creamy and soft and silky and finely milled, and they blend on the cheek like a dream. I applied Cali Dream in the eye demo that you'll see at the end of the video. This has to be my favorite shade. This is Cali Dream. It is described to be a coral. I honestly think it is the most beautiful peach blush. I will be wearing this a ton. This next shade is called Bawdy, and this is described to be a hot pink. I really love this shade. If you are an OG on my channel, you will know that I used to swear by these hot pink blushes. This reminds me a lot of MAC Pink Swoon, but way better and way more creamy and pigmented. That one is kind of like powdery and patchy. I feel like I want to jump back into my old game and wear a hot pink blush because I used to love these tones. And then last but not least, we have Honey Thief. Again, the quality of this one is amazing. I love this shade. I mean, they can't launch a bunch of blushes without the perfect neutral tone. It's not for every skin tone, but definitely for light to medium skin would be able to wear this, and it would be the perfect neutral blush on them. Another brand new product in this launch are Melt's new Blushlights. There's 7 shades. These are going to be $22 as well. They're kind of like a hybrid between a blush and a highlight. I personally love a shimmery blush. I always just think it adds a really nice glow to the skin. I wear a lot of them. You can not only use these on the cheeks, you can also use them as a blush topper. You can wear them on the eyes, the lips, the body, the legs, the collarbones, kind of anywhere. They're just really beautiful at adding a glow to the skin anywhere. This first color I'm going to swatch with you is is called Shadowplay, and this is kind of like an icy white, but it has a green shift to it. So this would be a really pretty highlight on the inner corner of the eye, on the cheekbone for like a fun pop of color. The next blush light is called Ghostlight, and I know this looks really similar pressed in the pan, but on the skin it is totally different. This is more of a cream color with a gold shift. Super beautiful. Blush light number 3 is called Lynx, and this is what I actually applied on my cheek as a blush topper. I really, really love it on me, but I feel like it will be even more beautiful on a medium to deep skin tone as a highlighter. I feel like it's kind of like a golden, rusty bronze shade. Blush light number 4 is called Nevermore. It's kind of like a rose gold shade. I will definitely be wearing this as a blush because I love shimmery blushes. This blush light is called Sundown. It just reminds me of summer and glowy, bronzy skin. This is going to be a beautiful highlight on a deeper complexion. This is kind of like a deeper coppery bronze shade. You guys, can we just take a moment and look at Fire Fury? I already know I'm going to be wearing this all over my eyes. This as a blush on a deep complexion is just going to be beautiful. I love these tones on deeper complexions. It just adds the perfect glow to the cheek. And then the last blush light shade is called Electra. It's just a fun kind of lavender tone. I will definitely be trying this out on my cheekbones as a highlighter because why not? It's just a fun pop of color, and I love how they added this one in the collection. The last products in the Hopeless Romantics collection are their 4 brand new shades of liquid set lipsticks. I feel like these are the perfect additions. They're very neutral, very wearable tones. I personally love their formula. I have reviewed it on my channel. I'll link it down below if you haven't seen it already. Their formula is very comfortable, very long wearing. It is transfer proof. They are retailing for $19 each, and they are made in the US. The first shade is called Cookie Cutter, and this is like an ultra nude pink. I personally love these shades. I love it with a dark smoky eye. I think it was the perfect addition to their lineup. I've been waiting for like that ultra nude lip. Don't be afraid. You can always pair with a lip liner, shade in, and then do a little bit of this over top.
If a hair on your neck, don't stand up. Did I do it right?
This next shade is probably my favorite. This to me is the most perfect brown nude. This will look great on any skin tone. It's described to be a sepia color, and I love it. As soon as I saw this one, I was like, okay, yes, that needs to be mine. I will be wearing this so much.
My phone don't buzz when the morning comes. Did you spend the night? But I'm alright, I'm alright. Still might try, still might try. What if I...
This next shade is called X, and I wasn't planning on liking this one as much as I did on myself. I don't normally go for like super peachy tones like this one. It's described to be a succulent orange nectar.
Spend the night one more time.
Last but not least, we have the shade Rebound, and I know a lot of you guys were thinking this was going to be similar to Rock. It's actually pretty different. I will insert swatches right now so you can kind of see. Rebound is up top and Rock is down below, so they're very, very different. Rock is obviously a lot more red. This one is more of a warm, kind of neutral rose shade.
And if that song I love don't speak to you like it does to me, and if I'm not insane, then I'll say goodbye so carefully. I'm alright, still might try.
And then from what I've gathered, all of the liquid set lipsticks in this collection are vegan. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and jump into some demo applying them to my face and on my eyes and everywhere else.
What if I spend the night one more time? Love's on the back of my mind, on the back of my mind. I think I'll give it a try, give it a try. I'm alright, still might try, still might try. What if I spend the night one more time? And if the words that we say climb up all the way, can we keep them there? And if it's too far to fall, that means nothing at all. I'm too crazy to care. It's not right, still might try, still might try. What if I spend the night one more time? Love's on the back of my mind, on the back of my mind. I think I'll give it a try, give it a try. I'm alright, still might try. my mind cause you're touching my arm. On the tip of your tongue, I wonder if you got ideas of love. On the tip of my tongue, I'm looking at you like why the hell not? On the tip of your tongue, I swear it's okay if you wanna just talk. Love's on the back of my mind, on the back of my mind. I think I'll give it a try, give it a try. Cause I'm alright, still might try, still might try. What if I spend the night one more time? Love's on the back of my mind, on the back of my mind. I think I'll give it a try, give it a try. Cause I'm alright, still might try, still might try. What if I spend the night one more time? Love's on the back of my mind, on the back of my mind. Love's on the back of my mind, on the back of my mind.
Alright guys, so that is it for today's video on the brand new Hopeless Romantix collection. Let me know if you are planning on picking up anything from this launch and what your favorite product was down below that I showed. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you liked it and like my Melt Cosmetics reviews. It would mean the world to me. And then don't forget to subscribe on your way out, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!